Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor and be support me like this forever viewers. I am very thankful to you and I am see my all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind with me. Secondly, you can see friends in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses. It's especially for summer collection. So don't forget these designs and these are very helpful for you and all the designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all are interested in this design and I hope you all are love this beautiful collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of summer collection. It's totally handmade crochet articles. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular design. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet dresses. These are very beautiful and cool designs and color combination are so attractive especially for summer. You know guys, different people have different choices and pick your favorite one and select this design for yourself for more beautiful and glamorous look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am sharing with you the benefits of crochet dresses. So these are the benefits. Including comfort, crochet dresses are often made a soft and breathable yarn, making them incredibly comfortable to wear. Flexibility, crochet fabric is a flexible and stretchy, allowing for a full range of motion. Versatility, crochet dresses can be dressed up and down and are suitable for various occasions from casual to formal events. Unique and handmade crochet articles. Each crochet dress is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece with a personal touch. And weavers, unique and handmade. Each dresses are handmade and now sustainable. Crochet dresses can be made with eco-friendly yarn, reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Customizable crochet dresses can be easily customized to fit individual body types and style preference. Timeless crochet dresses can be treasured for years as they often become family heirlooms or passed down pieces. Relaxing to make, crocheting a dress can be a calming and therapeutical. It's a therapy and it's a therapeutic activity providing a creative outlet. Cost effective crochet dresses can be made with eco friendly and affordable yarn, making them a budget friendly fashion options. Empowering. Creating your own crochet dress can be a fulfilling experience, giving you a sense of um, pride in your handmade garments. Overall, crochet dresses offer a combination of crochet versatility and sustainability, making them a great choice for those who value handmade, unique, and fashion pieces. So I hope you all are understanding. If you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.